What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the epic rabbit raider from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. So we start on the top left, work our way down towards the bottom of that circle, and bring that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Just drawing that same size circle and pulling that back up towards the top. Let's fill these circles in black. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start from the outside of the left eye, step out and draw a large half circle. And come down, in towards the middle, round up the chin, and go out and up on the right. Now we're going to do the same thing along the top. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start back on the left, go up, and then bend that in to right about there. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down. Let's add that strap along the top of the head. On the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming across the edge. Close off the top with a straight line. Do the same thing along the bottom. Now I'm going to add some detail to the face. Let's start right in the center. Start with a point. Now from here we're going to curve down and then up towards the left. Go back to the center. Come down towards the same height and then bend that up. Now from the left side, we're just going to curve this out and then up toward the side of the head. Let's go back to the middle, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the head, and then we'll step out and draw two straight angled lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's go up and draw two small ovals in an angle. Let's start on the left side. It's going to come around and then up. Take that and flip it over on the right. And then we'll fill the nostrils in black. Let's go back to the center, step up and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now we're going to add some holes around the mask. Let's start on either side of the teeth. Draw a small circle. Go to the outside and draw that same size circle. And we'll fill those in black. Let's add another hole on the side of the cheeks. That same size circle and filling that in black. And we'll add some more holes along the top of the mask. Directly above the left eye, let's step up, draw that same size circle, line this up on the right, and then again we'll just fill those in black. Let's move up and draw two circles along the side. So we'll start on the left and then the right. And then again just filling those in black. Let's add a few more along the top. We're just going to line this up towards the inside. Do the same thing on the right, just line this up. Add one more along the side of the mask, just tucking that up against the edge of the head. And then we'll fill those in black. And now we're going to draw the outside of the hood. Let's start right in the center, step up, start with a point. From here we're just going to curve this out, around the side of the head, and then down. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. And we'll curve the hood coming out toward the side. Straight down, and bend that out. Let's round out the bottom of the hood, come down. I'm just going to pull that in underneath the chin, leaving a gap in the center. And we'll go in between, start with a point. Then from here we curve out and up towards the left underneath the head. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill that area in black. I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the ears. Let's start over on the left side. I'm just going to curve up and then out. Go over towards the right, curve in the opposite direction. And we'll bend the ear coming out and then down towards the side. And then we'll add another bend. From the outside, come straight down, bend that in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the ear, come up towards the top point of that fold. And then we'll separate the tip of the ear. From the outside, step down, curve up, and then in. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down. Let's close off the bottom of the ear. Starting on the left, come down and in towards the side of the head. Line this up on the right, and we'll add a trim along the top. Stepping down, I'm just going to follow that same curve, coming in and down on top of the head. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. And we'll draw that strap going across the body. Let's start from the top of the body on the left. Just going to curve this down and then out towards the right hip. And step up, angle up and in underneath the head. And then from the top, we're just going to follow that same curve, coming down and then out towards the right. Now I'm going to add a couple grenades on the left side tucked in underneath the head. Let's start from the top of the body, curve around and then in underneath the head. Step down, draw another curve, going out and then up. Let's go down to the right side of the strap and draw 3 lines, coming down at an angle, and add one more on the outside. And we'll add 2 curves along the top, going up and then down towards the middle, and over towards the right. Now I'm going to add that zipper coming down the center of the body in behind that strap. So starting from the top, we're going to leave a gap, draw 2 straight lines coming down, continue those lines, coming down towards the center of the body, close off the bottom with a straight line. And then from the bottom of the zipper, we'll step down, add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toes. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. We start from the toe, we're going to curve up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to add the bunny ears on top of the feet. Let's start at the very top of that curve, go up, and then down on the inside, go back to the center, curve up toward the left, and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the inside, and then the outside. Let's go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, we curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the outside ear. Now we're going to add some detail to the shoes. Let's start by adding a thick sole. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. And then along the top of the shoe, we draw 2 circles. One on the outside, step in, draw another circle, and move to the center and down and draw 1 more. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a metal plate along the outside of the right leg, starting from the top, curve in and then down. And from here we can draw a straight angled line coming down on top of the foot. Draw a straight angled line going out. And we'll add that strap along the inside. Starting from the inside of the right leg, curve in and up, step down, and draw that twice. And we'll add a pattern inside that plate. Start from the top corner, come down with a straight line, and go up. Step down, draw that twice. And add one more stripe along the bottom. Just follow those same angled lines. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here. Curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle, coming in and then out. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to draw 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve down and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. And then on the outside, curve the 3rd finger going out, round up the arm, and then pull that up underneath the grenade. Let's do the same thing on the right. And just pull the arm going up underneath the head. Now move back down and separate the wrist. Start from the top of the thumb, curve up, and then out towards the outside of the arm, and do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw a large egg in behind the arms and the body. Start underneath the head, curve out, and then down in behind the arm on both sides. Now from the inside of the arm, curve down and in towards the hip. And that's pretty much it. There's the Rabbit Raider from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.